Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 tail light. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth process. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all necessary tools, such as a T25 torque screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. Let's get started. Now let's access the tail light. First, open your trunk and locate the small carpeted access panel on the side where the tail light is. Carefully remove this panel to expose the inner workings. You will then see two retaining bolts, typically T25 torque screws, holding the tail light in place. Unscrew these completely. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle to release it. With the old tail light removed, it's time to install the new one. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old assembly by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, take your brand new tail light and firmly plug its electrical connector into the vehicle's wiring harness. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes on the vehicle body. Push it into place, ensuring it sits flush, and then reinsert and tighten the two retaining bolts. Finally, let's test your new tail light. Turn on your Audi Q5 and check all the light functions. Have a friend help you verify that the brake lights illuminate when the pedal is pressed, the turn signals flash correctly, and the reverse lights come on when in reverse gear. Double-check that the new tail light is securely mounted and sits perfectly flush with the vehicle's body. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Audi Q5 tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.